Hey, Matt Roulette here with MarineMax Boston. Today I'm standing on a beautiful, brand new 310 SLX Outboard by Sea Ray. Right away you can see this has that beautiful ivory colors. It's powered by twin 300 Mercuries with that white upgrade. If you look back here, you know, with the outboard you still got plenty of space to jump off, hang out. Right over here is a manual step ladder to get on and off. It's good for dogs coming on and off the boat at a sandbar or wherever else you are. Big sun pad back here. These are loungers. They come up. You got more storage underneath. Another cool feature is you got the Bluetooth radio right here for the controls when you're hanging out. So if you come aboard, you walk right in, you got your battery switches right here. Oh. Whew. Brand new. Port, starboard, in your house. Click, click, and you're good to go. Fresh water hose. So you got a sink here. This right here, you have an option to put a grill here. This right here, I like to put ice in if I'm making drinks. Maybe a little bit of ice, leave your sandwiches for the day. Under here, you got self-draining coolers or storage, whatever you'd like. Down here, more storage. I'd put my fenders down there, maybe some towels, blankets. You got the mount for the table. You got a table that goes right here, so if everybody's hanging out, there's a great space to hang out. Sunshade goes all the way back, so when you're on the back, you're protected from the sun. Another cool feature, nice and easy. Everybody's, you know, in the conversation, having a good time. You flip that back around. You're facing forward. My co-pilot's hanging out with me. This one, you got the twin 9-inch screen Simrad. Okay, autopilot with Simrad, joystick, skyhook, auto guidance, digital throttle shift. You got all this, your anchor, your running lights, your radios right here. The bow on this boat, plenty of size. If you want to go walk up there, you can see. This is a great running boat as well. I actually took it out the other day. Handles great. The twin 300 V8s powered perfectly. You know, this boat was made for those engines. That engine was made for this boat. Simrad, also owned by Brunswick. Everything's seamlessly integrated. Come on down. We'll actually really dig into it. Give me a call. Matt Roulette with MarineMax Boston, 603-320-5524. Thanks.